What if I told you that Salesforce is the technology behind some of the most well-known companies' operations and how they manage their business? Companies like Spotify, Canon, the New York Post, L'Oreal, NBC Universal, even the Hershey Company, and nonprofits like the American Red Cross. As you can see, the technology is used in a large range of industries, and in this video, I'll provide a brief review of what Salesforce is. Hi techies, my name is Kim Barnes and I help tech-savvy professionals navigate and stand out in the Salesforce ecosystem, one of the largest and fastest growing tech ecosystems in the world. In the technology space, there are many cloud services that enterprises use to scale and grow their business. I'll be talking about one of those technologies that I've created a career out of, and that B2B technology is Salesforce. Salesforce is a cloud computing service. It's a software, i.e. SaaS company that specializes in customer relationship management, short CRM. Well, let's break that down. Software as a service, SaaS, is a software licensing and delivery model in which software is licensed on a subscription basis and centrally hosted. SaaSes, you may recognize, include Shopify, DocuSign, HubSpot, MailChimp. All have subscriptions that you don't need to have physically hosted on location for whatever company you work for. In describing Salesforce, most would call it a CRM, a customer relationship management system, which helps manage customer data. It supports sales management, delivers actionable insights, integrates with social media, and most importantly, it facilitates team communication and encourages and uses mobility. Does your business use a CRM? And if so, which CRM? I'd love to hear in the comments. But in that case, what makes the difference between a CRM from a database? The idea is that a database reflects only past business, while a CRM may reflect past business, but it uses insights to reflect future business. Salesforce's core business is their CRM platform that customers can use to streamline business processes, contacts, collaborate effectively, increase productivity, of course, and grow their business. Considering Salesforce has the majority of the CRM market share, it also is one of the most popular choices for enterprises. However, Salesforce doesn't only focus on CRMs though, but that's where it got its start. Salesforce's offerings also created other flagship products that integrate with its core service in order to manage enterprise operations, from analytics to customer service to BRB marketing to handling quotes and contracts. All of these products support Salesforce's goal of creating a more cohesive internal operation. Salesforce tags this as Customers 360. If you're a tech professional overwhelmed at the idea that you have to learn all of these technologies, trust me, you're better off starting small. The flagship clouds, as Salesforce calls them, has an emphasis on you learning Sales and Service Cloud, which a lot of the other clouds will build off of. Salesforce's work has a lot of magic, but one of the the biggest misconception about the tool is that Salesforce is out of box and it'll solve all your data problems. Sorry to report, no, it won't. Most of the time, companies can benefit from Salesforce's adaptability and customizable features, and a lot of that can be still done without coding. Salesforce coins this as a click, not code technology. I've heard others refer to it as a declarative programming. If you use the tools like applications on the enterprise side, you'll definitely have to also customize your environment to bring those integrations into the environment using Salesforce's App Exchange, the equivalent of the App Store for Apple devices. As for the data, high quality data doesn't come from thin air. Companies are always relying on Salesforce professionals to guide data quality initiatives for when users fall short in their ecosystem. The better the data, ultimately, the more accurate and supportive the insights of the system are. I hope you found this video helpful and gave you some insight about what Salesforce is, how it works, maybe some of the features that it offers to businesses. If you're interested in learning more about Salesforce, cloud careers, or you just enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.